Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE S70 to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, go with Receive on this device and Send on DOOGEE S70. After that, click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo, choose Send and click on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and just tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. So now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always find app called Files or My Files. Go into Images and look for Send Anywhere folder, in my case. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!